Thank you for watching my videos. In this channel, I will record the scenery through the viewfinder in Japan and around the world. This time, I would like to shoot with Nikon F3, which was released about 40 years ago. Recently, the ZF model released by Nikon has been attracting a lot of attention. As you can see from the F in its name, its appearance is greatly influenced by the design of the Nikon FM2, and the Nikon logo used in the 70s and the 80s is decorated on it, reminding us of the Nikon F series of that time. The Nikon F3 camera was released in 1980, 2 years before the release of the FM2, on which the ZF design was based. It has been manufactured and sold for 20 years, making it one of the most popular cameras in the F single-digit series. One of the distinctive features of the F3 is the red line on the grip. The red line was designed by Italian industrial designer Giorgetto Giugiaro, and this marked the beginning of Nikon's history of the traditional red line. The film I used in this video was Lomography's ISO 800. I wanted to shoot at night and was considering a high sensitivity film. That's when I found this film, which I had purchased a long time ago but had left it unused. Today, there are only a few types of high sensitivity film available. It is a very valuable option for users who want to shoot at fast shutter speed or in dark environments. The location I chose for the photo shoot was the street of Shibuya at night. The day I shot this video was a national holiday. There were so many people in the area. First of all, I'd like to photograph the scramble crossing from various angles. When I passed through the crossing, I noticed the 109 building on my left stretching towards the night sky. I tried to get a shot that contrasted the building with the shadows of people in the foreground. From here, I entered Center Street. The streets of Shibuya are lit up with neon lights even after sunset. Looking back the way I came, I turned my camera to the road leading to the scramble crossing. In the middle of Center Street, I looked to the side and found a dimly lit side street. The atmosphere of this street is a little different from that of the main street, so I set up my camera. Farther on, I came to an area lined with many restaurants. Leaving Center Street, I headed towards Maruyama-cho. On the way there, I found a coin-operated locker quietly shining in red. Neon lights and stores lined up in a different atmosphere from the center street. I spotted a large neon sign floating in the darkness and decided to take a picture of it. Turning down one street, I found a corner lined with restaurants with impressive LED lanterns. From here, I headed back down Dogenzaka towards Shibuya Station. I went under the elevated railway tracks and headed towards Miyashita Park. Looking back, I could see the street I had just walked through. I heard the sound of Yamanote Line in the distance, so I looked through the viewfinder here. I decided to take a short detour to Miyashita Park via pedestrian bridge. I like this angle of the road stretching towards Shibuya City seen from this bridge. Right next to the pedestrian bridge, Shibuya Yokocho with its impressive orange lanterns was crowded with people. Finally, I would like to take a shot from here in Miyashita Park toward the Scramble Crossing where development is processing. This is one of my favorite spots in Shibuya where I can see JR trains arriving and departing from above. How was the video this time? My goal is to create videos that provide a relaxing moment for the viewers. I'm still working on editing methods, so I would appreciate your honest feedback in comment section. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.